Make life great. Welcome to A Booty Best.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today we will take you to Sharjah Park in Khorfakkan, Sharjah. Sharjah Park is one of the prominent projects that encourage ecotourism and is distinguished by its unique location between the embrace of tall mountains and provides visitors and tourists with a unique tourism experience to discover and enjoy the atmosphere of the mountain regions. The park is located on an area of 11,362 square meters and receives its visitors with an artificial waterfall of 25 meters high that flows into the lake surrounded by stone paths and formations of stone sections. The park also contains a mountain walkway of 3 mountain terraces connected by stone stairs leading to the main viewing platform at a height of 30 meters from the main park level, and the platform provides an exceptional experience for viewing the natural sights of the region from great heights in a safe manner. Ample car parking spaces at the newly opened Sharjah Park are available. The park includes several paths of 506 meters long surrounded by palm trees, a group of local plants, a play area, and 32 shaded sessions for families, and an outdoor theater has been established that can accommodate around 70 people. A barbecue area prepared and equipped with high standards of safety and environmental protection. The park is situated near Wadi Shiz and Khorfakkan, the outskirts of Sharjah. For residents of Dubai, the park takes approximately an hour and 30 minutes to reach by car. There is no Sharjah Park entrance fee. Access to this new park in Sharjah is free for all visitors. Sharjah Park is spread across a massive area of 11,362 square meters, which means there's plenty to do and enjoy at this outdoor destination. One of the best things to do at Sharjah Park is to check out the 25-meter high waterfall. This man-made waterfall, which cascades into a pretty lake, is a beautiful addition to the park and makes for some awesome pictures. Sharjah Park in Khorfakkan features 506 meters of mountain walkways and paths that visitors can climb and traverse. There are 3 levels of mountain terraces, which lead to the mountain viewing deck, from where you can enjoy stunning views of the park and surrounding area. There is a designated barbecue area at Sharjah Park. However, bear in mind that the barbecue pits are limited and can get quite busy during the weekends. The park also has shaded settings, areas for families and friends to enjoy a fun outdoor picnic. If you're not in the mood for fire up the grill, there's a restaurant at Sharjah Park where you can grab coffee, croissants, and quick snacks. The shaded setting area surrounded a large play area for the little ones. Kids will love the swings, slides, seesaws, and more at Sharjah Park, Sharjah. Sharjah Park features beautiful lawns and landscaping, making it the perfect spot for a relaxing walk during the cooler months after enjoying a fun picnic. There is also an open-air amphitheater that can accommodate up to 70 people, so expect to see some fun shows at the park in the future. Overall, the facilities at the park include the following: mountain walkways, artificial waterfall, lake, outdoor theater, viewing area, barbecue area, shaded setting, play area for kids, restaurant or cafe, toilets, and parking. Put your leg in the colorful stuff. You must put the leg here. Okay, go. You cannot?
No, I cannot. No, I can slide.
If you are visiting the park, please bear in mind that barbecue is only allowed in the designated areas. Dogs are not allowed in the park, as well as other activities such as camping, football, shisha, horseback riding, hunting, and swimming. Also, please bear in mind that vehicles are not allowed in the park. There are ample car parking spaces for visitors outside the park premises. That concludes our guide to the Nucius Park in Khorfakkan. Move more, faster. Faster. This family-friendly outdoor destination is the perfect place to take advantage of the great weather and is bound to become one of the top places to visit in Sharjah too.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live better.
Subscribe to my channel for more.